everyone. I really wanted to touch base and do this video because I'm being asked quite a lot about whether you can make an employee who is pregnant redundant. I think it's really important that we do consider the business in terms of whether redundancy is right. The statutory definition of redundancy is that you either are closing down, or there's a department that's closing, or there is a surplus of staff. If you find yourselves in any of those situations, then it may be that actually redundancy is the correct procedure for you to start undertaking to bring the employment of a staff member to an end. Now, you've just got to be careful because you shouldn't make somebody redundant because of or in connection with their pregnancy. So, for example, if an employee has lots of pregnancy-related illness and you have absence as part of your selection criteria throughout the redundancy process, and this individual gets marked really low and ends up being made redundant because of that, and the sickness was connected to her pregnancy, then that could be discrimination, and she can claim that she suffered a detriment, e.g. she lost her job because of something that was connected to the pregnancy. So just make sure that you do take advice when considering undertaking the redundancy procedure. Further, just while we're talking about pregnancy and maternity, I act for predominantly dental practice owners and dental managers in the healthcare sector. And something that, again, I'm being asked quite a lot at the moment is in respect of whether an employee who is pregnant can return to work. It's really difficult because it does depend on your individual risk assessments that you undertake at your dental practice. And also it depends on the role of the employee who is pregnant. If, however, when you undertake your risk assessment, it is found that it will be unsafe for the employee to undertake her role, then it may be that you have to suspend them on full pay. It's a health and safety issue, and therefore you do have to make sure that you look after that employee because you do have a duty of care towards them. Also, just be careful because I've talked a lot about employees in this video. Equality and diversity legislation also protects self-employed staff. So if you do have a situation where you have a pregnant self-employed member of staff, such as an associate or dental hygienist and therapist, you should also ensure that they do not suffer a detriment due to their pregnancy. This is a high-risk area of law, and I would advise you to take advice if you are looking at making adjustments in the workplace in respect of an employee or self-employed member of staff who is pregnant. You'll find all my contact details in the box below, and please don't forget to subscribe. Many thanks for watching.